Yeah, so basically today I'll be demonstrating our conversational AI chatbot, which is powered by Amazon Bedrock. So the objective of the POC is to showcase how organization can rapidly build and deploy Gen AI application using Amazon Bedrock. So many organizations want to integrate Gen AI into their products and internal systems. However, traditional AI deployment requires managing GPU infrastructure, hosting LLMs, and integrating multiple APIs from different models. So our goal was to demonstrate a lightweight solution that removes these operational burdens while providing access to multiple foundation models through a single application. So our solution basically uses a Amazon Bedrock as the managed AI platform. Front end is built using the Streamlit and providing a simple chatbot. So instead of managing individual models, application communicate directly with Amazon Bedrock. So the architecture is as follows. The first layer is the Streamlit interface where user enters their prompt and select the desired foundation model. Then the second layer is the application layer, which the user gives the input, prepares the request payload, and securely communicates with Amazon Bedrock. So if I give you a live demo of it, so basically this is the chatbot. If I refresh it, so basically you can ask different type of questions to it. So this is the API key, this is the region, and you can select the model. So as of now we are using Nova Pro. So if I say hi, just 1 second. 1 second. I think uh, I need to put the API key. Just a second. I will add the because since I wanted to uh, push to the GitHub, I remove the API key from there. Just a second. So basically, if I control G, yeah. So basically, let's see now. Yeah, so now you can see it's working. Actually, I removed the API since I need to upload to the GitHub. If I say like explain what does Amazon Bedrock is in simple terms. So it told us about that this is the service. Here is the breakdown. So basically, you can see the response is displayed almost instantly. One of the key advantage of this is to switch to the foundation model easily, like without changing application code. I can switch from Amazon Nova to Cloud and can ask the same question, but I cannot change to Cloud because it's a paid model and I'm currently using Nova free model. And if I ask write a Python function to calculate factorial of a number, you can say it gave us instantly. So basically, this POC demonstrates several business and advantages. Organization can rapidly develop AI powered application without investing in GPU infrastructure managing foundation model. So since Amazon Bedrock provide access to multiple models through an unified API, businesses can compare model performance and optimize cost. So to conclude, this POC demonstrated how Amazon Bedrock simplifies enterprise Gen AI development. So this was my POC.